In this video, I'll show you how to recover a wallet with a seed phrase on Phantom. Start by opening the Phantom Wallet app or browser extension. Next, on the welcome screen, click Import Existing Wallet instead of creating a new wallet. After that, choose the option to recover your wallet using a secret recovery phrase. Now carefully enter your recovery phrase exactly as it was originally provided. Make sure every word is spelled correctly and entered in the correct order. Next, click Continue after entering the complete recovery phrase. After that, create a strong password to protect your Phantom wallet on your current device. This password only secures access on this device and does not replace your recovery phrase. Now complete the setup process and wait while Phantom restores your wallet. Next, once the wallet has been recovered, review your accounts and balances. If your assets do not appear immediately, allow the wallet a few moments to synchronize with the blockchain. After that, if you previously used multiple accounts in Phantom, add or switch to the appropriate account if necessary. Finally, verify that your wallet has been restored successfully and continue using it to send, receive, stake, or manage your crypto assets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover a wallet with a seed phrase on Phantom. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.